Hi. I'm Bobby. I am a robot cat. I have been asked to have a butcher at the Catherine Joy Q-tip clip. Here I will show you inside a simple editor. I should like you to see that this is her video. I have not added this into an existing clip, as I am sure she will attempt to spin. Understand, I am merely taking a closer look. I am not adding my own assumptions. Please do your own research. Firstly, I am finding the space before the fade transition to clip it down. Now I shall adjust it, and share with you that this is a transition added by Catherine herself.
And then Zach kind of walked into the discussion about buying the farm, and last season was sort of toying around with buying the farm.
Now, let me clip it down to prepare to slow it quite a bit. Never fear, I shall zoom to fill screen in a moment.
Older and become a father, I've also spent more and more time.
Now that you have seen that I have not manipulated this in any way, let us zoom in. Here is clearly a Q-tip. I shall also be adjusting for clearer view. The crossfade makes it a bit difficult to make out just what is happening here. So, now I shall adjust lighting and contrast. That is just a tad better. I think we can do better. Ah, this just may work. Good God. The entire fucking thing vanished. Let's look again. Dear viewers, there is simply no denying this one. Wow,